Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make chole masala in 10 minutes. The ingredients are coconut, tamarind, green chilies, curry patta, onions, garam masala and salt. I have here boiled choles needed for the dish. Fry the onion, coconut and curry patta till brown in color. Grind the fried ingredients and tamarind into a mixer. Add the ground mixture to a vessel. Masala. Add little water and bring it to a boil. Add chili powder. Now add the boiled chole. Add half teaspoons of salt and stir. Chole is now ready to serve, best eaten with puri and bread. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon for regular updates.